Are you ready to hit the road but feeling overwhelmed by RV gear? You're not alone. Starting RV life can be daunting, but we've got your back. Let's simplify things with our top 5 must-have RV essentials. These are items we cherish and rely on for smooth travels. First up, Camco TST Max RV Toilet Treatment Drop-Ins, citrus-scented pods that eliminate odors and break down waste. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. Next, the Camco RV Water Filter with Hose Protector ensures fresh, clean drinking water. It reduces chlorine and sediment, keeping you hydrated on the go. Check out the 0G Lightweight RV Marine Hose. It's 50% lighter and kink-resistant, making storage and handling a breeze. Protect your electrical system with the GEARGO RV Surge Protector. It provides top-notch protection against power surges, keeping your RV safe and sound. Lastly, the LevelMate Pro wireless RV leveling system syncs with your phone. Level your RV in seconds, making setup easy, especially for solo travelers. These essentials enhance your RV life without overcrowding your space. They've earned their place in our rig, and we believe they'll be invaluable for you too. Ready to elevate your RV experience? Check out these products today. The links are shared below. Your adventure starts here. Don't overthink it, just enjoy the journey. And remember, help us grow our channel to keep tips and tricks coming. Like, share, and subscribe.